Welcome to our channel. If you want to set up call forwarding for your Shopify store's phone number, follow these simple steps to manage customer calls effectively. Step 1. Understand that Shopify is primarily an e-commerce platform and doesn't have built-in call forwarding features. Call forwarding is managed through your phone service provider or voice-over internet protocol system. Step 2. If you're using Shopify Inbox or a third-party communication app integrated with Shopify, check if those apps offer call management features. Step 3. To display a contact phone number on your Shopify store, log in to your Shopify admin dashboard. Step 4. Navigate to Online Store and then Themes to access your store's design and content settings. Step 5. Click on Customize to edit your theme and add or modify contact information, including phone numbers. Step 6. For actual call forwarding functionality, contact your business phone service provider. Common providers include Google Voice, RingCentral, or traditional phone companies. Step 7. Log into your phone service provider's dashboard and look for call forwarding settings. Step 8. Enter the phone number where you want calls forwarded and select forwarding conditions such as all calls, busy, or no answer. Step 9. Test the call forwarding by calling your Shopify store's listed number from another phone to ensure calls are properly forwarded to your desired destination. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.